Good morning, class. Today we are going to do a fun assignment. We are going to work in groups and be working on our words and how we're pronouncing them with partners. And I have laminated a game for us. It's called Four in a Row. And basically, has anybody played Connect Four? Okay, so it's just going to be kind of like Connect Four. The object of the game is, it's for reading, and you're going to select a word in a circle. It can be any circle on the board, and you are going to read off the word to your partner. And once you read off the word, you are then going to take an expo marker. So you're going to take the expo marker, and you are just going to shade in that word that you had just read to your partner the color that you choose to be. Each person is going to need to be a different color. That way you can see who is who. Because once it starts getting full, it's going to be hard if you're the same color to know who had filled in which circle. So once you fill in a circle, it's going to be the next person's turn. And they are going to pick a circle and read off a word. So like this one right here is said. So once you read that off, you'll take your marker and you're going to shade that in. Just like so. So you'll see, like once you start doing, it's going to start filling up with colors. Now, the trick of the game is going to be kind of like Connect Four. You're going to try and get 4 in a row. So you're going to be wanting to either go up and down, side to side, or even diagonally across to get 4 of them in a row the same color that you are. Now, the tricky part is going to be that your partner is going to be trying to block what you're doing. So say that you decide you're going to try and go across. So you're going to try and read off all of these words right here to get 4 of those. Now your partner is going to want to block you and do this right here so that they no longer can have 4 in a row. Now from there you could still try to go the opposite way, but once again if they block you on this side then you can't. So it is going to be kind of tricky. And once you get 4 in a row of the same color, just you're going to take your eraser and you're going to erase it off, and then you're going to start again. So what I am looking for is you need to be able to say the word correctly, and then you may continue on to color. So we do have some pretty easy words that we have been studying here in class, like bet, rat, shut, land, spit, am, hat, make, that, said, his, and was. And those are going to be spread all over this paper, and then you're just going to read them off to your partner. Does anybody have any questions about this? No? Okay. So you're going to want to pick a partner. We're going to do 2 people per group. Each group is going to need to come up and get a piece of paper. You're going to need to choose 2 expo markers that are not the same color, and then grab an eraser. And then pick a spot in the room for you to sit and then just get started. I am going to be walking around and just kind of observing each group and just seeing, who is picking up the words and who's winning and just asking some questions. So let's get started.